Hello, hi. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use if function in MS Excel. So over here we have a company payroll data. So the first column is number, and then we have first name, last name, employee ID, division, department, date of hire, benefits, hours of working, how many hours a person is working, and hourly rate, and the salary. So over here, I'm going to find out that who is working as a part-time and who is working as a full-time job. So over here, I'm going to create a new column, which is part-time, full-time. Okay, so over here I'm going to use a function. So here it goes, equal to. Whenever you use formulas, you should always start with equal to sign. So equal to if so we're gonna click on I2, which is hours. So if a person is working more than 40 hours, it means that employee is a full-time worker. If it is less than 40, then the employee is doing a part-time job. So I'm going to click on I2, and then I'm going to say that greater than, if hours is greater than 40, show me as full-time. If it is not 40, if it is less than 40, then show me as it as part-time. Close the parentheses, hit enter. Now it shows part-time, 35.5 hours. Sarah is working around 35.5 hours. So she's doing a part-time job. So what about other employees? We're not going to do individually. I'm going to double click over here, and you're going to get the rest of the listings, that who all are working as a part-time and who all are working as a full-time. So if you check for the full-time one, as I4, I4 is 42, I4 is 42, and obviously this is full-time. So we are giving a condition that if an employee is working more than 40, then show me it as full-time. If an employee is not working more than 40 hours, then show me it as part-time. So this is how we're going to use the if function. Thank you so much